Release. Fetch, 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 fetch. Yeah, we got it. That's the one we shot at. Yep, yep, yep. It was hidden down. Hey! Whoa. 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 Fetch!
Fetch it! Fetch! I think he wants to eat it.
Here! Here!
Go on, go on.
Come on! Give.
Now, that.
Stand. Release. Release, stand. 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 Stand.
Right next to you. Just went past.
Release.
He's on it.
Fetch.
Good
Fetch!
boy.
Here!
Fetch it! Fetch!
He's got
Fetch!
it. He's got it.
Fetch it!
Here,
Fetch!
here, here.
Come
This is
here!
my chucker for the year. Didn't get it going to Idaho like I wanted. This is state ground. As you can see, there's miles and miles of open country in the control unit. I've got one dog that covered about 25 miles today, and one dog that sat in the truck because she screwed up early and I put her back in. I thought it works. Looking for some chukar that would put out for a director's hunt and work her. Concentrate on her dog work rather than shooting the bird. Release! So if the bird busts when the dog is standing still, no fault on the dog. If the dog moves when The bird is flushing. That's the dog's fault for pressuring. And they need to be stood strongly once they know what they're doing. And my dogs know what they're doing. And look at that, we got a chukar standing there. And a nice point on that chukar. I'm gonna swing out. Boy, beautiful bird. Stand. Fetch! Whoa! Whoa! Release. Oh, Dad! I think we have another point. Probably a chukar. Ah, boy. Oh, hen. Fetch! Here! Here! Good dog. Good dog.